Hi, this is Dan from Pool and Spa, and today we're going to do a quick how-to video about how to add color to your pool. There's a couple different ways that you can make your pool a different color, and it all depends on how permanent you want it to be. The first method is there's a line of different chemicals that a few companies make that are actually colored dye. They're temporary colored dyes. So if you're going to have a party, they make this in blue, green, red, yellow, and you basically just pour it into the water. It takes about an hour to get the whole pool the color that you want, and it will last about 2 or 3 days. It's not dangerous to your water chemistry, and it's not dangerous to the filter. Most pools have a pool light inside of it. This is what the back of a pool light looks like. It's actually put into the pool right around this area like this. And then the light part is where this is. So this is usually where the light is. And what you can get for it are these different colored light lenses, and they make them in all different colors. And these things are very easily changeable. Again, you do need the light that would accept this size, but that's a pretty easy way to do. This right here is a cement or a gunite pool. These kind of pools are a little bit harder to change the color of permanently because you would actually have to paint it. So this pool here, we just recently painted white, which you wouldn't think would be a good color, but it really is because it reflects all of the other, natural light that you have outside. But this would be a different way to go. Pool paint, you would drain your whole pool down, paint it, and that would permanently change the color of the pool. If you have a vinyl liner pool, that's something you're going to want to call in a pool professional for the most part. And what they'll do is they will take out your old vinyl liner. You could pick a new pattern, pop it in, and then you have changed the color of the pool that way. Now, the last thing that we're going to show you is they have invented within the last 2 or 3 years color changing digital LED pools. We have installed in this pool here one of these LED wireless digital color changing lights. And by a simple push of a remote control button, you can change the color of your pool at night to red, blue, green. They have a couple of programs programmed into them so it can slowly fade from red to blue to green. And they even have a couple of very fancy ones that are like a strobe light, or it looks like a rave or a concert. These lights are really not that expensive, and by just getting one of those lights and installing it into your light niche, you kind of don't have to do any of the rest of this. My name's Dan from Pool and Spa, and we certainly hope that this video has been helpful and given you some ideas about how to add color to your pool.